Okay, so hello everybody, welcome back to our class, and today we're going to have something a little bit early, right? So today is still daytime, and the day before yesterday and earlier I was like super busy, but I still managed to, because since I promised everybody I'm going to give you everybody every day a class except a weekend, because weekend I need to just to put myself together. Okay. So hello, Pen. I hope you understand. So our amc8 class test will be the next week. Okay, so I'm going to encourage everybody, no matter you are taking this test with me or with somebody else, I wish you good luck. And when you are doing test, just try your best. Okay, don't be panic and take a proper look at each questions, because some kid, I know you're not reading questions properly enough. So sometimes very easy question, you still making mistakes. Okay, so let's take a look at the today's question. So this is 2017, I believe it's 20 problem 22. Okay, so Pen, could you please read a question? I mean, really understand the question, okay?
Point E is the what does it say?
Midpoint. Huh?
Okay, midpoint, sorry. Because it says draw a text box.
Yeah, where's it comes from?
Can you see the draw?
Let me just do it again. Okay, so this is my there now.
Yeah, that's good. Is the midpoint of side CD of side line CD in square ABCD. So okay, and BE meets diagonal AC.
At F, right? The area of quadrilateral AFED. So when we're doing something like that, I want you to write down the thing, right? On the graph. So this is 45 and E is a midpoint. So I'm going to put these two the same. Okay, and diagonal is a very important thing. Is whenever you see there's a diagonal, this one exactly put this whole area split. Very good. So triangle ADC equals triangle ABC, correct? And also equals the half of ABCD. So this is something I want you to in your mind, okay? And when we're having this one, so they want to tell us what is ABCD. So on the other hand, if we know what is ABC or we know what is ADC, we can just do times two, right? So let's take a look at this one. So ABC, we doesn't have enough information, but ADE, ACD seems better, right? Because we already know this part is, that part is 45. So now this question is transferred to find the area of triangle EFC. Very good. Okay, whenever you find this one, you can solve this one, right? You can solve ABCD. So this is how we think about those questions, okay? So you kind of just go through something like connected with each other, okay? In order to find the area of ABCD, actually you only need to find EFC, okay? CEF or whatever you see, right? Yeah. Okay. So we can have, if we don't know that, can we just name this one X?
Yeah.
Right? So ABCD is actually equals 45 plus X times 2, right? Equals 90 plus 2X, correct?
Yes.
So when we're having equation like that, you know, if I have another one, which is also equals ABCD, then I can just do what? Putting them into the algebra and can find the X immediately, right? So let's take a look at this one. So this X is here. We know in every single square, this line and this line are what? They are parallel, right? So we have used everything, but there's one thing we didn't use at all is what? Because when we are having amc8 questions, every single question is having what? Every requirement has to be used. 每一个条件都必须要用到。
Everything that it tells you is useful.
Is useful. 那你看这个是不是没用到？他说 point E is the midpoint. 我们这个是不是没有用到？ So if we have something we didn't use it, we try to use them. So in this sentence said point E is the midpoint of CD, and in square ABCD, 我们知道 ABCD 啊是个 square. Square means AB parallel to CD and AD parallel to CB. And if this is midpoint, that means if this is one portion, this is one portion, then CD is how many portions? Two portions.
Two portion.
That means AD is also two portions. And we know BC is also two portions. And we know AD is also two portions. Correct?
Yes.
Okay, so when we are having parallel, Pen, what's in your mind? The same, the similar.
The similar triangle.
Very good. Similar triangle pop up into my mind. Okay, so I know because this angle and this angle, they are equals.
Yeah.
Right? And since they are parallel, and this angle is also equals. So when three angles are equals to each other, or two angles are equals to each other, this triangle ABF and triangle EFC is similar to each other.
Yeah.
Okay, so now we know that if this one is one portion, CE to AB equals 1 to 2. Can you tell me triangle EFC, area of triangle EFC to triangle area, triangle ABF is what?1B 这边是1，这边是2，对不对？
那就是1比2。
1比几 ？Area。
area。1比4。
Very good， 就是它的 square 就是
1比4。Square thing.
Right, it is 1 to 4. Remember?
Yeah.
Is it? Okay, so it is 1 to 4. So if this is x, can you tell me triangle EFC equals what?
如果那个是 x 的话 so then 4x.
Very good, 4x. Okay, so now let's take a look at this triangle. This triangle, so I want to ask you, triangle BEC, which is this guy. What is the portion for this guy to the whole triangle ABCD?
1比4。
Okay, because very good. 它是1比4，对不对? So this one is exactly 1/4. Very good. So if this one's worth 1/4, can you tell me the quadrilateral ABDE equals what? How many of the ABCD? What is the fraction of the ABCD? This is 1/4.
Yeah.
So this one is what?
So that one is.
The whole thing is 1. This one's 1/4.
Then that one's 3/7.
3/4. Very good. So 3/4. So that means 45 plus 4x equals what? 3/4 of ABCD, right? Because this part is 45. This part is 4x, right?
Yeah.
So ABCD equals what? ABCD equals 45 plus 4x times 3/4. Correct?
Yeah.
So the answer is 60 plus 3/16x over 3. 对不对? Okay, so this guy equals ABCD. This guy is also equals ABCD. So can I put them together?
Yeah.
90 plus 2x equals 60 plus
60 plus 16x over 3.
Very good. So we can just easily do this question. Is 30
equals to
10x over 10, right?
Yeah.
So x equals what? X equals 30 divided by 10 over 3, which is 30 times 3/10. So x equals what?
9.
X equals 9. So if x equals 9, so ABCD equals what? ABCD equals 90 plus
plus
2 times
oh,
x.
so then
So that's
it's 90 plus 18,
18 equals,
which is 108.
okay? So let's take a look at this question. This question seems very complicated, right? Looks complicated, but we can still do it. Using 1 time a similar triangle and find out all the relationship between the triangles and squares.
Yeah.
Okay, so I want you to find out. So this is something very important, Peng Peng, is when we are doing the geometry class, test or questions. Oh, we're doing all the AMC8 questions, Peng Peng. The very important part is every single thing you have to use it. Okay, for instance, like the 45 here, but we didn't use that DE equals EC at all, right? If we didn't use it, we have to find a way to use it.
Yeah.
OK， 好，你必须要找到。而且呢，我们也知道了 when we are having the similar triangle, when the length, so if this one is 1 to 2, the ratio is 1 to 2. That means EF2, FB is 1 to 2 as well.
2, yeah.
And the CF2, AF also 1 to 2, okay? But when we're talking about the area, it's 1 to 4. When we're talking about the volume, it is 1 to 8. Remember? Okay, so this is something I emphasize a lot in the class for you already, but you kind of missed, you kind of forget as well, right? So the thing is, when we are doing math contest, it's never about how smart you are. It's about how well you can use every single thing and the concept you have learned before, right? Sometimes we're
you
just
need to remember every concept.
yeah, but it's not remember, you have to use it. The more you use it, then it's easier for you to do it, right? Okay, so that's it for today's class, and I wish you enjoyed it, and we're gonna see each other tomorrow. Bye bye.